My maternal grandfather, Law Vang, was shot and killed on Podong on October 15, 1972, during the Secret War. One night 2 decades later, after hundreds of thousands of Hmong, including my parents, had resettled in the United States, my mum dreamt of her father. He told her, "I've brought your stepmother and brothers as far as I can bring them. I need you to do the rest. Help them come to America and take care of them." Then Grandpa said to her, "I have to go now. I need to go back and guard the camp on Podong that General Vang Pao built. But before I go, there's someone I need to visit in Minnesota. Take care of my family." My mum woke up from her dream confused. She had lost touch with her stepmother and brothers in the mass exodus of Laos and had assumed them to be lost forever. Several days later, she received a phone call from someone she never thought she'd hear from again. Her stepmother. During the mass evacuation of 1975, her stepmother and brothers in Xin Coang had been forced to go live in northern Vietnam. Over the years, they worked hard and saved money. Eventually, they snuck their way back into Laos, and from there, they paid someone to ferry them across the Mekong River and into Thailand, where they were finally able to phone my mother in America for assistance. "We've made it to Thailand. Help us get to America," she said to my mum.